And here we are on the passenger side now. And again, there's a little shot here. Everything looks. The main door is a slider. I have the bed down right now. I think I showed you a video of how to put that up, but I will do a video here in a couple of minutes and show you how everything works on that. Up above here, we have power that's hooked into the solar panel and inverter. So this is all run off the battery. This is for that light. The second one is for the light over the sink. The third one is for the water pump. The fourth one is the refrigerator. This one is for a fan that's at the back, and not real sure what that one's for. Never could figure it out, but I'll do a check on the language there and tell you what that one is. It's all written in Japanese there. I don't know Japanese, so. Nice little cubby hole up above here. You can put whatever you need to put up there. A lot of storage. I always shut this stuff off when I'm not using it. The refrigerator takes a lot of power. So, you know, if you're going to be using it, make sure that you keep the solar panel going and stuff. I would probably switch out that fridge, get one that is a 3-way with propane and stuff. But this is all just electric, 12 and 110 volt. A lot of room in here. Stereo speakers are back there. Got another little cabinet. And like I said, lots of room. Batteries right underneath here. Main battery for the van, the engine and stuff. And then the storage batteries are under the seat cushions on the side. And I'll open those up in a moment here and show you where that is. And right here we have another little cubby. They had some TV equipment in here, but you can put whatever you want in there. And I'll end this video right now and start another one.